Hi, guys. Welcome back to the OnBrand Podcast.
Hi, everyone. My name is Michelle,
Mijn naam is Joey.
and we're bringing you back another episode, an audio exclusive. It says it in Mario that the fitting theme for the melody I went with.
Okay, ready?
That's the theme song.
Well,
That's
c'est
the
a feeling,
podcast
toch?
theme song. But a melody ko amo is away. It's not the
Como
same.
melody, dapat ah.
I don't remember anymore. Let's
Yeah,
move
you
along.
gotta remember your melodies, yo.
No, let's move along.
How are you doing today, Angel?
I'm okay. Tired per usual. That is a state of being. For me at this point.
That's sad.
I know. Had a long week ahead.
Mhm.
October is finished. We don't know when you're gonna hear this, but
Don't worry about it.
October
See.
is finished.
Uh-huh.
Today's the last Friday of October, which went by so fast.
You're just telling the people when we're recording, but to see.
See, but it's fun. It's good to know. Some of
Is
you
it?
people don't know that these things are pre-recorded. Shite.
And we'll be right back with a word from our sponsors.
How are you doing?
If you know,
Jay?
you know. But this person doesn't listen anyway,
Oh,
so
no.
that's sad.
How are you
Anyway,
doing, Jane?
no, pero no, laat ons papi voor je actually.
Okay.
See, actually, laat ons daar even eerlijk.
Okay.
Met bij zo'n PSA
PS.
namens Amico me girlfriends.
You who?
Amico me girlfriends.
You're who? You got
Ye-
girls?
No, but girlfriends, not girlfriend, but girlfriends. It's me
My
friends that are girls.
girlfriend.
I don't know, met add auto tune, so no worry, it's fine.
Thin. Of na minha si outro. Thank you for being a friend. Da na 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 na, I'm back again. Your heart is true. You're a friend and a confidant. Dun, dun, dun. And if you do a body,
Hey, hey, hey.
invited everyone you knew.
Everyone you knew. Yeah.
You will see
You
the
will see.
biggest gift will be from me.
From me.
And the part
Dun,
of
dun,
church will
dun,
say,
dun.
thank you for
Being
being
a
a
friend.
friend. Dun, 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 dun,
See,
dun. I love that show.
that show was fire.
I
I
love
grew
that
up on that show.
That's a very cute show.
It is fire. Rest in peace to Betty White.
Yes, and all the
And
other
all the
girls.
other-
See? They're not
That's
about they're
tough,
not
yo.
about here anymore.
That's messed up. But to see. No, let's talk
PSA.
about that.
Or
Sim
PSA.
PSA. Amico my girlfriends.
Di kami sa girlfriends.
But so, we know que bisa king was talking about. In the sense, di man king ako kita apply pe, and to king te sungo ta bisa suffer from a sadness di niggas na no sa kiko ta pre-recorded no kiko ta real life. So, especially di amico my girlfriends.
And other boyfriends?
Sí, pero mi no tengo un boyfriends ko ta, this sounds crazy, pause. Mi no tengo un boyfriends ko ta podcast.
Okay.
Of
go
puta
ahead.
man online out here, you know,
Yeah.
doing the damn thing.
Okay, go
Look,
ahead.
don't worry about it. It's just a thing, you
The
know?
floor is yours.
See, and I'm pretty sure I got that from you. Amico my girlfriends.
Oh no, I've never said that.
Yes, you have.
I say me, the gays and the girls.
Well, the my girlfriends.
The gays and the girls.
The my girlfriends.
Okay, go
Toch?
ahead.
Toch?
Yeah,
See, toch?
I guess.
Anyway, so, nós conhecemos ainda que tava tem um issue, com de seus friends dan, um par de seus friends dan, tawa kita si certa coisa na online, tawa kita aktivo online in the sense that post, eta share, eta sa tudo kon aqui,
Mm-hmm.
anto nang no tava ta as communicative ding nang private chat of on telephone. Either way, din na miss. Anto in essence, e friend que vive e persona que tá online, man, está te espero tu costa vai bom cubo, pero ya, man, nem te mira online tu costa bom con aqui. Anto mi PSA ta is aqui essentially. Muita pessoa bota mira mi online, anto mi ta post, anto mi ta out here shaking my ass.
On a yacht
See,
in
exactly.
Dubai.
E say no que man ku mi ta bom, obviously no que man ku mi no ta bom.
Mm-hmm.
Anto the internet is not real life. It is not me going live. It is not that. It's different.
You're right.
Mi pora record ko okay, 5 anos passando mi ta post ta okay, mi pora
Vintage.
mi porting un de apps
Sana.
nang kuta post course regularly.
Yeah.
Kung mi ta paga pe kuta kung post kada 3 semanas after tudo con it. É porta
Bota
automated.
paga pe?
Sim, sim, sim.
Ito ba the post Kiko?
Bota paga pe app aqui, anto eta post, eta coisa post para
Okay,
quando
yeah. Go
poste
on.
on specific times ko buke. E porta esse, mi porti manager, mi porti assistant ko ta post para mi,
Period.
mi porti doppelganger.
Right.
It could be AI generated.
It could be
Tem
actually.
hope diferente maneira como por seducing scheme tu na online. Panang kere kumita aktivo. Pero it might not be so.
Yeah.
So, si putingani sa komita, in real life, in real time, pota bimpundrami. Ando no asumi kulo ke bumira online, the verdad. Because
Wow.
if anything, online is our highlight reel. Nobody posts their real lives online. Nobody does that. And when you do that, I gotta look at you weird because that's not real life. Sabi ka man, you need to get with the program. So, ito mi PSA, namans ami ko mi girlfriends, you know, stay black.
Girlfriends. Interesting. Interesting. Combo friend, I go about it at the end like this.
Minus na inam talaga busa. Talaga busa.
Alright.
I don't think they're talking right now.
Okay.
I don't think my friends are talking right now because of the friend. So,
yeah. That's the whole spilling my friends and beings on the podcast.
no. Atrobe, this is still online. It could be fake.
Yeah.
Who knows, man?
Yeah, all this shit is made up.
See, who knows?
Yeah.
It could just be a Twitter thread.
Okay.
Kung babasa.
You would know.
Makon spicy ra pa siya, my friend, pabasang sinbergbensa na nagkukustay na sa business, pabasang potende. But it could be fake. Who knows?
A friend, here's the A, actually, guys.
No, I don't have those problems.
The truth's out. It's
Actually.
him. Yeah. It's him.
Anyway. Minta correct ko na sa ta, pero minta PSA ito importante.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for sharing.
So, you're welcome. See, away guys, mi no sa que no estoy papagordige, pero metí un pregunta como mira online. Atrobe, online, it's all online, dog. It goes down.
We
online.
don't have lives offline this way.
No. Life is fake. Mark Zuckerberg, holla at me.
Metaverse.
Metaverse, the Matrix, same thing. Stay woke.
The Sims. Same thing.
Same thing. Stay woke. Pero see, mayroong question online, and mi kira ask Angela question aqui on the pod. Pamitende su live reaction because tatumbe mas to it was great. Okay. So I'm gonna do it again, and I will be doing that. I will be seeing things online and ask Angela live on air so she can look at me weird and gasp, and then we could get a real reaction.
Yes. Okay.
Pero see, bota may kumisa fray un hende. Anto, bota guste persona aqui. Bota mirem, bota bay on 2, 3, 4, 5 dates. Un luna ta passa, bota junto ainda. 3 luna ta passa, bota junto ainda. Anto, 4, di bani di 4 luna, costa bom ainda, right? Anto, op een gegeven moment, bota ta papia over die, quem bo exes nanta. Do quem su exes nanta. Mi pergunta na bota. Bota judge un hende based on who their exes are. Anto, what does that say about you if this person is dating you? Si bon judge, mane, ay kita date, no, fijo. Of this one, no, come on, man. Anto, kung you looking at their exes, that make you look at yourself. Si ta bon, minos aki feeling mo por pero does that make you look at yourself, and how does that make you look at yourself?
Okay.
So.
Let me think this. If I look at the ex, do I think, what's my opinion then of the exes then?
Si bro, kijk bo opinion, no die exes. Exes no tamak kahit as much. A guy ko bota dating, si tamak.
So past history ita. The story na kaya date. Porta 3 e porta 7.
Notam mas tanto to kandidat, mas kalidad.
Aba, isa mi kamen.
Si.
Yes and no. Why? Because I'm on the 8th.
Right.
Kiko tura shit na ba may kumi ahasi. What do they look like? How does our relationship maybe compare of share certain similarities? Why didn't those work? Is this one bound to fail? Things like that will make me like other conversations but the more relationships, the more me funny, yes. Not funny, haha, funny weird.
Okay. Interesting.
I would. Let me not compare too much. Depende probably como to feel about the person. Pero let me look at, okay, I feel like you have a type. If I see like certain things with the mesong cost entre amike one or second or third before me. Pero yung notice na very differences nang di man
Okay.
oh, kung ma date this person, this feels
Right.
completely out of character for you. While a next person, the money, actually, yeah.
I can see it.
Yeah, I can see it. Pero at end, like, pag kumimesan man okay, this is my time right now. It could last for these 4 months. It could last 2 years. Let's see what happens.
Gotcha.
That's how I feel. What does it say about me? That I'm an introspective person, and
See.
I analyze and observe, and I am a data analyst.
Never that, pero
Exactly that.
pero okay, bambi sa persona ki a date, un persona ko ba really? Does that make you look at the person different?
No, to anything etapa din ang vida. If at a certain point
Okay.
meet this person in this stage of your life, it can say about who you are in that moment, in that period of time. Pero ba krese? Bumias na ko mga persona taman ni ikaw kita action ko ko. I certainly have that. Girl, what the fuck?
It was on a duro din like,
certain people I've dated ko naman
why did you do that?
why did I do that?
Yeah.
What was happening? And I mean, even pensa a version of myself of that period while with that person. Okay, so you lacked confidence
And
Got it.
self-respect.
and self-respect.
And you didn't know what you wanted.
Don't even gotta blow my cover like this.
No. I mean,
Pero-
doon na may opinion ngayon na.
No, but
So-
it's exactly that. Kumita man okay, I was young.
Mm-hmm.
I think ko easy ko blame. Okay, I was young.
So,
Of mitading lack of experience. Of meet this person. Ting hope because pa situation no tambe. This
see, but the current yan, opis like, see. Mita, yeah.
you gong
But so, all of those things are decisions. I'm sorry.
see, but that is a decision I made in that period
Niggas
of
is
time.
trash.
Now I look back and they are trash.
See.
They were
pero-
trash.
See,
They
pero
are
I
still
should be able to
trash.
judge you to some extent for that.
Of course you can.
I judge myself. So, si Mira sabay na may opinion, I think, ita apreciar manera ko abawake, so mita kere, hope to a high extent, mita ains ko bonto, mita share bo thought, bo sentiment, but at the same time, no trabaho na mita mane, un party din mita mane, okay, misaki ko may track record ta. Misaki persona ko mita bata ko ne, anto, si persona na ko abata ko ne tata wild, meeting ko look at you different because maybe that's not who you are now, but that is in you. It's part of you. You've been this person.
Okay.
You've been
Thanks.
ano mesmo ko ami. So si a persona ko ami a date of a persona na ko a date ti un specific pattern anto emotivo na ko no skiber também ko kuture ko I might not be this person today, but si a pattern A me mister check myself within me see. Just me to hold other people to that same standard. That's me though. Just not necessarily me to judge you for it. Pero I do put two and two together. And in that sense, me to analyze okay, me ko wag graphic basta hyperboles akinata tas spike up akinana in this specific thing.
Yeah.
And okay, mira ko mas be okay, this ting pattern na kinang. I'm all about patterns. There's minota kabisa mita judge di man mita condemn you, pero mita judge in the sense di mita wak algo, mita assess the situation, mita pensa okay, anto mita wak a pattern na, anto mita man okay, mita mira certain patterns na kinang.
But at the
What
same
do you
time,
think?
why am I giving this person that is no longer in your life so much attention?
No, bonota duna na a persona attention. That's not what I'm talking about. Mita ba di a persona kita parte di equation paso ela date persona ki. Pero mi man, e persona ko buto unto kune, bota bezig ta assess un style assim.
I don't think that's necessarily something cool. Was it okay, pero but that's every time that I don't
Como que every time.
this kumani by inside the X number 3. And they say, oh, sudden by inside the X number 1. But they can ask you, it's gotta be a person na tro money, or tata ko melesa etata sinaki.
No, pero si
or
si
tata ko.
si bisabo no, X number 1 ko ame kibra pa motivo ki, X number 3 ko ame kibra pa motivo ki. And it is similar about the mira okay, there's something going on here.
But
Then you should.
a breakup, a hindi ko na date.
To me, it's one and the same. To me, it's one and the same.
I don't know. So I'm okay about that business work.
Okay.
Abasadi,
Okay.
Melissa ta wild child. She likes to party.
Right.
And then butang buku Cynthia ko ta bookworm super quiet.
Okay.
I'm okay about that work based on that.
Sí, sí, pero mira que más shift the conversation
Yeah,
sin
okay.
pero la nos buy back na sung buda bisante.
Pero wait, yung question pa abo.
Uh-huh.
Do you feel like you should know every single person? See, but in a relationship then.
Uh-huh.
But in a relationship, do you feel like you should know about every person that they've been with before?
Bosa, mita wake kos neki. I don't want to look stupid.
Same.
I don't want to look stupid. Mino kita ding guys ko anto una ta kana pasay konta anto tami ko bumas ina ko na ki dami tama what the hell is happening?
Yeah.
Anto to bisa sakta bo ex.
Yeah.
Of botas sirami ko na si kuya anto mino sa at all king ita anto esi sa kemita bo volba so esi sa mira kemo da that's not good yo.
Yeah.
So minota sali for nung position di privilege anto di insecurity. Minto sali for position di I just don't want to look stupid.
Sí, pero normally bisa porque saku every single person they've dated or had a thing with tame of is it straight up relationships. But so when yeah, it's casual date tame.
I'm sorry,
more
but
difficult. So,
me the baby sabutro yan ko me the involved in so I'm not I would look stupid.
Yeah.
I would appreciate si but offer me a same courtesy. Pero porque so en un benong fiesta bobas un ko then went school effort the otro. Pero even that I could still look stupid and I would rather not do that. So earlier may sa conversation ko man okay. Kiko ba ta comfortable sharing? Kiko ba ta comfortable sharing? Pero sa si ko si me look stupid, we gonna have problems. So I mean, man, like
right.
There's a certain risk nos ta core ore e si mi no sa turcos and si abo no sa turcos tampoco. So I would like to know as much as you're willing to give me. And if not, that could be a conversation. And to some extent, I do respect when it's privacy and to previous life. But if I look stupid, we're going to have problems. So that, I don't want that. I know for a fact I don't want that. So that's how I feel about that. Go with the Cindy.
Similar to me, I've straight up the money, okay, I would like to know, but similar situations, se me se pasa. In a second, amita.
Sí.
Amita para na ba bastante papin do bastante.
Abuta para na sa mo tawaron. That's not good, yo.
Sí,
exactly.
For that reason, yes, I would like to know. Porque si mira kung hindi ko taong casual dater to mas difícil. So
right.
Going on a few dates, we say, oh, no, I'm not doing thing with this person, that's probably more difficult. Starami on a regular day. Sakit at Saskia. Sakit at Jerome. Sakit at that's really difficult.
Right.
But I would like to know in advance. See that like in relationships, I'm the kere lo basa. Dating nang lo tamas difícil.
Sí.
In relationships nang so. But getting to know each other, maybe Santa comes a papi over, recall
and they carry a bit different weight.
Sí.
Gotcha.
Pero dating, minsan ko portaba tanting mas difícil. Pero would you like to know your tambe si ito someone ko ta of course I guess man yung one night stand o what na tambe?
Mita kere, in relationships naman ebo di so pero I think mita kumisas mita mas specific man si tu wene kumiboto pa din serie ki I would like to know.
Okay.
Si tu wene ko to bibo din outro start ko bono to by mira. So you ko pasan ergens naar Argentina. It doesn't
That's
matter.
That's different. Okay, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about more. Like,
in
si tu din cercanía, anto mino ka man cercanía, di, no se de mes un building of, no se de mes un country, sort of, but Kosovo bijvoorbeeld, I need to know. I mean, man, now Holanda, not as much, because it's a bigger country. Pero, si no está vivo in Rotterdam, anto, meeting chance to pay I'd like to know.
Yeah, okay.
Like, boting chance to pay I would like to know.
Yeah.
Pero, not to make it specifically say, not sali for un punto di vista di privilege or I need to know because I'm insecure. No, it's more like I just don't want to look stupid. That's really what it is. Anto,
I agree.
Un party di mita man si uno está comfortable telling me, depende uno no está de relationship. So 3 luna, 4 luna din, it's not that deep. Pero si 5 años ba ito, binosa, kaya natasali for kada año kaya natasali out of the woodwork, kaman nesta, masami ka man? So, hope specifics nakikutong role. Pero I would personally want to make sure you feel comfortable as my girlfriend, pabisami. And then, kubota, hunto ko na yan to, kubota ba to, hunto ko na of whatever. Anto, si bunota willing pa si say, or si bunota as comfortable pa si say, I guess that's something we need to work through. That's what I would say.
The tres cuatro lunas to me is still dating.
Sí, ese no te pero sí.
This
Yeah.
So I think full transparency. When there's other degree thing, full transparency. When okay, then maybe go through the line of everyone I've dated. Well, the chances that we wake up at month 5.
Got you.
Just in that time, money keep in mind. But so 4 months to me is dating.
Sí, sí, sí. Por
No,
that 3-4 months
but
was that
exclusively dating time. Say that me, but
There's so many things
dating
nowadays,
is different
yo.
nowadays.
Dog.
Dating is different nowadays. Yeah, like casually date.
Why do we say nowadays as if we're not 24?
Well, we are 24
Sí,
nowadays.
pero,
Now,
sí, pero
what are you
es
talking
cosa
about?
sono mas está comparar com tempo que propõe que nós estamos 12 years old.
No,
We wouldn't know.
but I think statistics go now. Men are more lonely, and the dating world is difficult, and it is. But so it doesn't seem like a lot of people want to be in a relationship of
Yeah.
and think trust issues of people be gay. So this is a different
But that's also dating. You can
landline.
date as a gay man.
See, of course, but
or
it's
person.
probably difficult in this in no matter the sexuality.
Sí, 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 sí. Sí.
Around me, meeting friends meeting friends in different stages in ambida qua relationships. I have friends that are married. I have friends that are in long-term relationships. I have friends that have never been in a relationship. Friends that date casually. Just kind about the thing. There's stories of money. Oh, this is how it's going. Of none, talking to this person, it's not going well.
Got you.
A lot of. What's your favorite color? Happening every few weeks, every month.
That's tough, yo.
Yeah.
That's tough. So, now I feel bossy. Okay. Okay. Now, see, that's that on that.
That's that on that. You brought a question. I brought a am I wrong?
Right.
Question again. Let's get started. To read it for you.
So,
am I wrong for dropping our dinner on the ground and walking out when my boyfriend asked me, "What's for dinner tonight, bitch?" That's the line. That's the title.
Okay.
I was over at my boyfriend's
Yeah.
apartment this weekend and I was cooking dinner because he was studying for exams. I made
Okay.
pasta and a chunky sauce with meatballs and veggies. Delicious. I told him dinner was ready and he goes, "What's for dinner tonight, bitch?" With like emphasis on the last word. I was fed up. I'd had a pretty rough day with work and I had some pretty awful bad associations with the word being used by other people in my life who were pretty abusive. So I was irritated and dropped the of pasta that I'd been carrying right on the ground and was like, "Well, nothing's for dinner tonight now." And I better not hear you using that word again. It's for the girls. He was freaking out about how sauce had landed on this rug and he said, "You're seriously acting like a bitch right now. I don't know what else to call it."
Okay. Well.
I just walked out and got takeout for myself and went to my friend's house. She thought it was funny, but my boyfriend was furious. He kept texting and calling, sending me voice memos, trying to explain what he was saying and that it was a TikTok trend. And then he was just quoting it as a joke to put it on TikTok. I thought it was the shittiest excuse ever, and it doesn't matter if he saw it as a joke or stole the joke, it was still very disrespectful. But it didn't change the fact that he thought the shit was funny. To demean me when I was trying to do something nice for him. Like hell, I came over, he was studying, I made you home cooked dinner, and what do you do? Make a He decides it's time for jokes. Okay.
Okay. So
I put my phone on Do
boy.
Not Disturb for the night and split a bottle of wine with my friend and her roommate. The next morning, he was sending me angry texts demanding I clean his rug because he was too busy with exams to do it.
Okay.
I was shocked and he left it overnight. That's disgusting. I texted him back saying, "Yeah, so that's the bitch tax, honey. Leave me alone till you're ready to handle your own cooking and cleaning because this bitch isn't anymore. It's a vile way that you left it soaking all the way through the night." He called me and told me he was okay with doing his own household work, but I did throw a full pot of sauce on the ground, so that's on me to clean up. I told him, "Yeah, I'm not comfortable doing chores for you if you see me like your bitch." He told me he didn't, and it was just a trend, and I got pissed off that he was playing the TikTok trend excuse again. I told him, "Well, I'm starting a trend called saucing, whereas Whereas this little joke, people throw pasta sauce around. You can't be mad because it's just a trend. It's
That's
a little
funny,
jokey
yo.
jokey. It's
That's
just a prank,
hilarious.
bro. He got
That's
really pissed off.
hilarious. That's hilarious.
He got really pissed off and hung up on me. And now I'm seriously wondering if this dumb fucking TikTok joke is gonna be the end of things between us.
Sounds like it.
And my and my mom probably acted when my boyfriend asked me what's for dinner, bitch. And then someone replied to the Reddit thread, and the labis is Nikki. Sipe, did you tell him not to call you a bitch? Like, how would he know otherwise? What? Why would you say that? She answers this way a comment, Bisando. Honestly, if someone has to be told by the age of 30, not realizing that women do not owe you anything, that you can't be using slurs like that, they're beyond my help. There isn't something that needs to be told. I shouldn't have to go through life like, hey man, just in case you weren't thinking about it, I just don't like being used like demeaning slurs against my gender. And if you're willing to comment something like this, then it does tell you something about yourself, blah, 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 blah. Anyways,
see. Well. Sa.
yeah.
Keep the pens to go again, Joel.
I've had a personal experience with it. Yeah. Maybe a guy friend called me something similar once. And so I was pissed off. It's a joke. I don't care. Though I do use the word bitch. Yes, that is a word I use quite often in my vocabulary. But I don't want to receive it from a man. I'm not trying to like take the word back, take power into the word, but of receiving it from a man. Plus, see, what's my significant other? And what's for dinner tonight, bitch? I don't care if it's a joke.
See, plus, nunca minda mucho menos busy had his phone out for TikTok.
No.
You can't just do that in real life.
No,
Just be like,
a camera recording.
so that was
Sorry.
like, that's cap.
You're lying.
You're lying.
You just wanted to call me a bitch.
At no point in time, Elabisa. And he had his phone out.
No.
I don't see that. I don't use that word. I've never used that word. The only time I use that word, that order my friend, let me say, hey, wow, no sayo yung kacho. Let me punta nang, sa, ito mama po mo eh. Ando na mi sa mo eh. New alert. That's what I do always.
Yeah.
Pero that's the only time. And it's funny when you do that. But with the rest, I've never done that. That's that. I think my opinion not really strict. Mas tanto to say, mas tanto to say honestly. Abodig bono ketende from a man. I understand that as a woman, but sometimes people do be that though.
See, I know, I get that
So
too. I get that
it doesn't
too.
matter if it's a man or not. Mita ko man is uncalled for sowieso.
Yeah.
And I don't advocate nobody calling anybody that.
Mm-hmm.
And to be comment as a woman, you don't want to hear that from a man. But sometimes y'all be, and sometimes we be too. So when it's called for, it's called for. Pero no llama bofraiko. Also don't do that, you know?
But even in the
You're
context, we go bring the lanty. Change completely how you're trying to say it. Hey, bitch.
Intonation.
Hey, bitch. Is that going? Bitch.
See.
Nah,
Okay.
it is not audio.
This podcast is getting flagged.
Yeah. Pero I don't know, like a way you could guide them when it was for dinner tonight, bitch, and there's no camera recording.
That's crazy.
That's
crazy.
What?
That's crazy.
I mean, that's about it. What are we talking
about?
about?
You're acting like
See.
He's just a bad guy. How about that?
Probably break up with him.
See, but so please, but I wonder if this is gonna be the end of us. Huh?
If you can.
Kasi orla contestayan na naman sa si Mimi sabi sungadi 30 years and you're still questioning whether the relationship is over or not. Clearly, this ain't enough.
See, no.
What are we doing?
I think you should break up with him, girly.
Huh?
I don't think it's a good idea to
Come
be
on,
around
dog.
someone.
But also, you gotta clean my rug now, though. I ain't gonna hold you.
Actually, we just broke up. It's not my responsibility anymore.
No, it's not anymore. Abola ke ko kaisi. Ami taro bes. E guy taro bes, pero boding bilimpiesi. Not you can't do that.
Pero this way, kahit maybe sequentials I have exams, come clean it up.
No, already that's tough.
See,
Pero
ami
como persona, ami lo clean a rug si. That's me.
I think by that point, just buy a new rug. So, kaya ko lang soak overnight.
You're disgusting.
But ko marinate, I smell like pasta in your house?
Sí, prego.
Pa- Prego, yes.
Prego,
Kuku
basilicum.
basilicum. Ku oregano ko ko
We're on the
bukas.
same wavelength. That's
I
funny.
know. Like, be real. Be for real.
That's true. No, but don't ever do that, yo. Break up with this dude. There's no
Break
way.
up with him. I don't know si Basang will come back from that.
See, I'm not pandering right now, tampoco.
Diki ko.
I'm not pandering, G's so, oh, sad, break up with the dude. I'm just being objective right now. The guy is a
Yeah.
piece of shit. And to, mucho mueta definitely right for doing what she did. And Ami como, si Ami dapat din posisyon, Ami lo clean the rug, por si the type of class person I am.
Class person, yeah.
Sí. Pero, si no así, Ami ta como where she's coming from.
Yeah.
And the guy get open nasty. You're disgusting.
Why would you not clean it?
See, like not even
Why would
like
you
never
not
mind.
clean
Like,
it? And it's TikTok trend. It's not funny.
it's not a TikTok trend. There's no way in hell. And even
It
if
probably
it is, he wasn't doing it. But atrobe, nyuwen na abisa. Oh, he had a phone out in nada. Porta she was in the other room. But even that, I don't care.
And she also didn't say que nanti un YouTube channel.
See, a guy por abi say, oh, ma filme. Nunca yung guy mustre nada nada. She
No.
didn't say any of that. You just said, oh, it's a TikTok trend. No.
Like, we're friends, but don't call me that.
No.
No, I don't. But personally, for me, no, it's a no for me.
Nah, dog.
I don't.
It's crazy.
Like, could we girls? They say that cool. If I'm friends with you, tambi. If we're girls,
So you can be a random person, be like, hey,
not
right.
bitch. Well,
Yeah,
I don't know you, honey.
that is kind of crazy.
But yeah.
But yeah, guys, that's about it for today.
Yeah, that's about it for today.
Like, ano sa akin ba pensa? See what the judge bo significant other pa personan kila date.
Or if you allow a man to call you a bitch.
It's not about the man, though. It's not about the man.
No,
No.
I definitely think it's about the man.
Okay. A mí personalmente, no tayo me llama anyone that. Doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. Entonces, si bota friends que persona, el context cambia. También don't able to use the N-word. Something man, el context cambia. If you're a black person, if you're white, don't do that. Pero, yeah. Yuri, babae din ko sa tama di sa, pero no estou usando para nos mesmos, pero sino que me palabra tá bom. Mas a mim, man, esta bira tem outro co, pero I don't think it's specifically about a man. So, mulher, iba kaya, boas conto mo yung mabe ko itame, but it get as pissed off.
See, it's a different level of disrespect.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can't.
Time ko kung papisere kung si black on black, someone black on black, tama ni yama already N-word. Different ko si Tim bimbisa ami a black word. N-word. Black word.
A black word.
N-word. It's different. And to me, it would be similar to if a man bimbisa ami hey bitch.
That's a good way of putting it. That's a good way of putting it. So,
who are you talking to?
Sí, anto, a mí poco me say as a black man, pero me no poco me say, con si ta sinti anto as a woman. So, pero me ta comprende que porque man, si me wak naman ni otro, me ta comprende how that could feel. So, yeah.
But like the kaya moral dami ding is ding manay context to say, ku mucha hasin ko nice, kushna ko, and the guy to me say, what's for dinner, bitch? No, you.
No.
It's a whole completely disrespectful.
It doesn't matter though. That's the thing.
It does. But so, bitch, the context ka use away that a female dog.
No, but it doesn't matter what she was doing. Say me
Oh, see, no, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Pero
foral no de tempo. Hey, puede hacer algo pavo.
Sí, pero tam doesn't go nice. To but misami ikoy.
No, that's not okay. No, break up with her, sis. Break up with her.
Break up with her. Break up with him, sorry.
Ay, girl.
Sorry.
Well,
that's it.
Hey, yo, man. Break up with her, yo.
Okay.
Break up with her.
Him. Anyways.
Him. Sorry.
Guys, thank you.
Anyways, sí.
Thank you for listening. Sabi sa but we'll say it again.
Sí, la ganó Saki was on the pensa. Should she break up with her? Him? Should he break up with her? But that knows some crazy people out here.
Actually.
Which we respect you guys. Thank you for listening. But you're wild. You're a wild boy.
Actually.
La ganó sa tambe ki si what the quote unquote judge or whack both significant other or person ko dating diferente based on their dating past or relationships. Nos lo que sa. Anto laga non sa buta pensa. Si buta pensa mi tabi ko ikans laga mi sa. Mi bisa na ba kung tabi kami punto de vista pero lo mi tendebo anto assess mi mes de mi mes brain si.
Criticism.
Correcto.
Yes.
Like, subscribe, share, do all of that. Listen to all the things we posted and watch all the things we posted in the past. Si porque collab la no está.
Yes.
Send us an email, DM, slide a DM. No dinos mes personal, pero
The on-brand.
on-brand. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Thank you.
I've been your co-host, Angel.
And I've been Dream. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.